Alright, here's another video for the Bluebird T3 F17. We got a Visani window air conditioner, 250 square feet, 6,000 BTU. Same thing there. Here we have a Toshiba 8,000 BTU digital control unit. Doesn't seem to be inverter. And we got a 6,000 BTU version here. What's on here? 5,000 BTU. Visani. Okay, what else? We have the LG portable air conditioner, 6,000 BTU. And we got a 10,001 BTU. This is a black portable air conditioner. And yeah, what else? Here is a 5,000 BTU Visani portable air conditioner. An LG room air conditioner, 8,000. And a heater, medium room heating and cooling. It's a hybrid, I guess you'd say. LG remote control, 7,600 BTU. Because they had to compensate for the heat strips. 12,200. Window air conditioner, I'm sure requires 240 volts on that one. 12,000 BTU, 240 volt air conditioner. 18,000, wow, that's pretty big. And then a 18,000, another 18,000 LG, 14,000 LG, 240 volts, and a 10,000 Toshiba. I was about to say Sharp. And yeah, that's all the air conditioners. So Bluebird T3 F17, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what's your favorite air conditioner in a comment below, whether here or some other model not here. Alright, bye bye.